Hi guys, so today I'll be working on this Nissan Qashqai and I'll be doing timing chain on this. And yeah, first of all, first you have to like move the right tires and move the engine mount. I'll just take you basically through how to do this timing chain on this car. Sorry, timing belt kit, timing belt, not timing chain, because this is a diesel, so I'll be doing a timing belt on this car and I'll take you through how I go about it. Yeah, let's see. The Nissan. Yeah. Heater is off, so next thing is to move the shield to have access to the pulleys, the crank pulleys. So the shield protector is out, so next bit is just to move the driver's belt from here. From there, just need to adjust it a little bit with 15 spanner socket. Then after that, disconnect the battery. Then yeah, then work from the top. So I separated it with the jack under to remove the engine mount. This is the engine mount, and then next I need to move this cover. There's a clip for it, and also move these wires around it. Also I have to like do this sensor from this side to push it that way, and then keep going. If you can see, there's a 8 bolt there. You need to slack it to free the fuel lines. This is the 8 bolt. Just slack the free the fuel lines so you can move the casing. Focus. So you can move the casing properly. Yeah. So you can see these fuel lines run through the casings. Through all the way to the casing. You can see all the way, so I need more access to this casing to move it. Then I think I have to mark the fuel lines, then try to move these 8 bolts here, move these brackets, and there was another bracket there, 10. So one is 8 for this bracket, this 8 bolt, and now I was 10 for the hose, for this bracket, just to move the fuel lines. Yeah. So next, you can see like I need to move the cover. You can see like it two clips here, how to move the cover for the casing. So I have to come from one that top of the engine and then tie it in here. To move it, you can use like a pin and top. Also, you need to check there should be no stretch, nothing stretching, so nothing should break. You need to check the engine properly, because just only once you move the engine mount, then the engine have to drop down a bit. Then just check properly. You can see this side is already out. This side is already out. So a bit. I see this side is already out. So I need to just do this side to remove it. I'll show you how I use it. So I'm using this tool. Just for this side as well. So next you just move this crankshaft pulley, then you can move the casing. You can see like settings for the crankshaft, so I need to set it, turn the engine to set it, and I need to move the casing from up. Also, you can see the crankshaft pulley, you can see how it sets, the pin lock does it, you can see it there. Then also the casing as well, nothing should break, just follow the procedure easy. Yeah, you can see the casing is also top out. You can see the timing, so I have to like turn the engine clockwise to set it. You can see the fuel lines, just 8 bolts here, which is basically there, and another one here in the brackets, and another 10 knots to move the other bracket. So that's it. Just move it, then move your lines, but please mark it, because one is return line and another one is return line, another one is going to the pump to the fuel pump. So yeah, so next thing, after remove this mount, stop mount, then see the timing. So you can see the mount is out. So now for access to the timing. So next you just do like set it, turn it clockwise, set it, lock the flywheel, lock the camshaft, then you can see the pins. One is, let me set it first, then yeah. So 4 bolts, 5 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See long pin and to lock the crank pulley. That's it. So there's a pin here you need to, 13 bolts you need to have access to. This one here for the crank pulley, this one here, and it's a 13 bolt, so you need to move it to lock the crank pulley. Then also the camshaft, I'll show you for the camshaft, and yeah, you have to turn the engine to have access to lock it. So guys, I was wrong regarding finding the pin, the hole to lock the crankshaft for the Nissan Diesel 219 Qashqai. To lock the crankshaft, you have to see the space here. There's a hole there. This hole, that's why the bolt is. You need to access it. You need a, this is it. Here's the bolt, a star E14, yeah, and you need a extension, a short extension to access it. It's just hidden just right inside there, so you need to like lose the pipe, move the pipe, move the sensors. There are different ways. You don't need to do that. Other people have the method of doing it, but I need more clients to see it properly. Then you have access to it. I'll show you how to lock it. Yeah. So guys, you can see like I have to like move this pipe. You can see the pipe to this connector, and also this one. I have myself. There's the air bracket. There's a bracket there that connects the air cooler, but you don't need to move the air cooler to have access to the camshaft. You can see where it is. It's hard to set lock the camshaft for the Nissan Diesel. That's where it is. Just leaving. You can see the bracket. It's just behind the air cooler. Just behind the air cooler. You can put it through there straight to have access to it. Yes, just straight. Yeah, but you need to move the oil gauge temperature sensor. This is where it is. I have to move it. I have more space for it. Oil gauge temperature sensor. I'll show you the oil gauge temperature sensor. You can see the sensor. I have to like move it. You can see the sensor. You can see it. So you just have to like work smart. Move the bracket just behind it. I have full access. Then now you can lock the camshaft. You don't need to move the air cooler. This is the air cooler. You don't need to remove it. You just need 4 bolts. Here's the bracket. So this is 13 knots with a stud, 13 knots with a stud, 10 and another 10 here, just 4. Yeah. You can see like my 2 is not straight in to lock it. You can see my 2 to lock the camshaft fully. Now it's just like lock this camshaft, make sure it's completely locked, then set the cam. Yeah, so the cam is locked, the other pump is out, this one is straight to the middle and locked, so locked here. So the water pump is in, so next is just to put the belts. You like to see like everything aligned up. For fuel pump, cam shaft go straight up,
crank straight with the belt